that's how you make chilaquiles with Lex.
Guys, welcome back to Cooking with Lex. Hi guys, I'm Lex, and today we're going to be making egg in a toast. I learned this from my mom, and it's one of my favorite breakfast dishes, so I wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys. Okay, you guys, so for today's recipe, we're going to need 6 items. We're going to need bread, butter, eggs, salt and pepper, and a cup. Okay, so first we're going to want to take out 2 pieces of bread. And we're going to want to butter each side of the bread. When I'm buttering my bread, I do not want to go ahead and drench the side with butter. Okay, for this next part, now that we have both of our slices of bread buttered, you're going to want to go ahead and grab a cup, and you're going to want to go ahead and place the cup on the center of the bread, and you're going to want to put it and make a circle. And this is actually going to take out the center of the bread. So now you should have a circle and a bread with a hole. So we're gonna go ahead and take our pan. Spread a little bit of butter around the pan. So with this, depending on how you like your egg, you can either pop it and make it so the yolk isn't there, or you can actually go ahead and leave the yolk and just cook it as is. Now would be the time to add a sprinkle of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then with your extra little circle, you want to go ahead and cook that on the side of the pan. And just like that, now you have your egg in a toast. And you can go ahead and now you can go ahead and pop your yolk. And then what you could do is you can go ahead and dip your bread into your yolk and eat it just like that. You can go ahead and just eat your egg in a toast just like that. Or like me, I like adding salsa to mine, so I go ahead and add a little bit of this on top of it, and then I call it a day, and I go ahead and eat it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe below. Bye guys!